bits of footage. I don't know if it'll ever go anywhere, just one that's on the camera, but what we're looking at is back to the west there, a big storm cell that is blown up. About half an hour ago there was a tornado in that cloud that kind of touched down. I don't think it hit very long or did much damage, but I hadn't heard the report because it's still too early. But our tornado warning has expired right now, but we still got a severe thunderstorm warning. It's a very active storm cell. It's just doing lots of cool stuff. The wind's going about 18 directions up there. And the biggest part of it has blown over us. And it's kind of, well, I say the biggest part, the biggest looking part of it back to the east of us now. And it's where the wind is going to give us fits. I'll see if I can mitigate some of it. But right now we're just spitting a few raindrops and little bits of lightning and that kind of thing. Now what may happen is it may merge with that cell over to the south of us there. And you can see that's a pretty healthy cell itself right there. Let's see if I can zoom you in on that bit. There's some seriousness in that cloud too. They got some pretty high tops on them. And as they continue to travel east, they're going to get bigger and bigger. There we go. It's all in where you hold the camera, isn't it? You can see the spot of blue between these two cells right there. When they come together, there's going to be some havoc. So fellers and people to the east and south of me better keep their eyes on the weather. In the meantime, this one right back here, for all it's got going on, is just beautiful to watch. It's just gorgeous. Isn't it the power of nature and all that happens? You can see the rain over there and the sun trying to poke through the bottom edge of it. Hear the thunder rumbling around. Just pretty stinking cool. Pretty stinking cool. I grabbed just a still photo of it. Maybe. Hard to tell. Anyway, I'm going to watch it for a little bit. See if there's anything down. It'd be kind of fun to... Oh, there's another cell to the north of us over there I can see. So, no telling what the evening is going to bring to us. Zoom in on that guy a little bit. We get some pretty interesting weather around here sometimes. Lucky it only stays interesting. It doesn't turn bad, but you never can tell. You never can tell. Now I'm seeing something right through there. I'm going to zoom in on that and just see what we see. It'll focus. Come on. There we go. Trying to balance on something to steady the camera. I'm also trying not to get blown off. There actually could be something right there. Hard to tell if it's just rain or what's going on. Closer look at that. I'm all over the place with this camera. Well, I'm starting to get rained on pretty hard now. lightning. Yeah, I can't. I may have to go get out of the rain. You know, it would have been too easy to bring a raincoat up here. Okay, I'm going to shut off and go get out of